Hello friend, in this video I'll show you house plan of 40 by 60 site, south facing site. This is the plan of house. In this site, our two portion. This is the first portion, our 2 BHK house. This is the second portion, consists of 2 BHK house. Here I will look for this house and here our staircase. This house plan is like a apartment flat type. We, you can build same plan up to 3 to 4 floor, keeping ground floor as a parking. Let's see details of plan. Please subscribe this channel and support me. Hit the like button to get latest update. Welcome to our plan. In this video, I'll show you plan of 40 by 60 site house. In 40 by 60 site divided into two portions. Each portion consists 2 BHK house. Floor plan of 2 BHK houses in two portions. Facing upside is south. Number of floor is typical plan. Kept ground floor parking. Keep adding first floor, second floor, and third floor as same plan. Entrance is provided towards east facing. Let's see details of plan. This is the plan of site. Length of site is 60 feet and width of site is 40 feet. This is south direction towards south have a road, and this is north direction, and this is east direction, and this is west direction. Towards south 1 feet 6 inch offset is provided. Towards west 3 feet offset is provided. Towards north 2 feet offset is provided up to this bit. This is the first portion house and this is the second portion house. Both consist of 2 BHK house. Here staircase is provided. Of width of staircase is 7 feet. Here our lift of size 5 feet 6 inch by 5 feet. Half lift capacity 4 passengers. This staircase connects the upper floor. Here our balcony of width 3 feet 6 inch. Here our balcony of width 3 feet 6 inch. In first portion, main door entrance is provided towards east facing. This is veranda of size 7 feet, of size 7 feet 10 inch by 6 feet 6 inch. All outer walls are 6 inch thick wall and all inner walls are 4 inch thick wall. This is the living area of size 11 feet 6 inch by 15 feet 2 inch. This is the dining area of size 8 feet 4 inch by 12 feet 10 inch. In southeast corner, have a kitchen of size 7 feet 6 inch by 12 feet. In kitchen, one back door is provided for the utility area of size 3 feet 7 inch by 12 feet 6 inch. In the dining area, have a puja room of size 4 feet by 3 feet 8 inch. In attached to dining and living area, have one common toilet. Here 2 feet width, have a passage for toilet. Here one sink is provided. This is the common toilet of size 4 feet by 5 feet 8 inch. Here have two bedrooms. In southwest corner have a master bedroom of size 11 feet 2 inch by 12 feet 6 inch. In master bedroom have a attached toilet of size 6 feet 2 inch by 4 feet 3 inch. This is the second bedroom of size 12 feet 8 inch by 10 feet 7 inch. This is the first portion 2 BHK house. This is the second portion 2 BHK house. We enter into second portion through staircase or lift like this. Second portion of house also have a main door entrance towards east. This is the living area of size 18 feet 11 inch by 14 feet 8 inch. In living area have puja room of size 4 feet 7 inch by 4 feet 6 inch. This is the dining area of size 14 feet 1 inch by 10 feet 2 and half inch. Here have a bedroom. Here have a bedroom of size 11 feet 6 inch by 11 feet. Here have a master bedroom of size 12 feet 8 inch by 11 feet. This bedroom have a attached toilet of size 8 feet 8 inch by 4 feet 2 and half inch. Here have a one common toilet of size 5 feet by 7 feet 1 and half inch. In southwest corner have a kitchen of size 8 feet 5 inch by 10 feet 1 inch. Here one back door is provided for the utility area of size 8 feet 6 inch by 2 feet 10 inch. Here completes the second portion details. Thank you for the watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit like button. See you in the next video.